Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious strawberry watermelon lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. Perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I am going to start by making my simple syrup. How to make your simple syrup? 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. We are going to take it to the stove, cook it for a couple minutes until the sugar has dissolved and the water turns a light yellow. That's when you know that your simple syrup is ready to go. You're going to take it off the stove, put it aside, and let it come to room temperature before you make your amazing lemonade. Look at this. When you make your simple syrup, you use less sugar. And here I have my organic from my garden lemons. Of course, with this little gadget, I am going to get all the amazing juice, all the lemon, and believe me, nothing stays behind. This is the best part with this little gadget. You could really get all the juice out of your lemons. My mouth is even watering. Just make sure that you remove the seeds. And now I am ready. I have cubed my watermelon. I'm going to add it to my blender cup, my NutriBullet. This NutriBullet I only use for my lemonades and my smoothies. Of course, we are going to go ahead and blend away. Look at this. After it's nice and blended, I am going to put it through a sifter and get all the pulp out. I'm not going to throw away the pulp. I'm going to add it to my garden, to the soil of my garden, to give it back the nutrition, the vitamins, and all the properties. Well, here I'm going to continue sifting away. And now I am ready to show you. This is what I'm going to put back into the soil. And here, this is ready. It looks really beautiful and it smells amazing. I'm adding the juice of the lemon. I have 1 cup, a pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is really going to bring up the flavors of the fruit, and yet it's going to bring down the acidity of the lemon. I'm adding my simple syrup, and I'm going to mix away. Once this is nice and incorporated, I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to start by taking the little stems off the strawberries. I already rinsed through running water all the strawberries. They are huge and they are so sweet. Remember, when you make lemonades with fruits, use the fruit that is in season so it's not too expensive. Here, I'm going to go ahead and take all this to the side. I'm going to add it to my garden, to the soil of the garden. And I'm going to go ahead and start cutting and cubing the strawberries. I am going to go ahead, cube them in very small little pieces because I want the strawberry to really infuse and release all the amazing flavor into the juice of the watermelon. Look at this. Let me tell you, this lemonade, it's so refreshing. The combination of the strawberry and watermelon, just perfection made at home. That's why I say, when the fruit is in season, that's when you need to make those amazing lemonades. On my channel, you have so much options of lemonades. I am ready to enjoy this. If you got up to this part of the video and you love and you like this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I am sure you're going to love this amazing lemonade, strawberry watermelon lemonade. Can't wait to enjoy and refresh myself. And I can't wait for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit.
Amigas, amigos, aquí ya he terminado con esta limonada de fresa con sandía. Perfecta para este tiempo de calor. Vamos a ver cómo ha quedado, ¿eh? Recuerden, de la vista nace el amor. Refrescante y deliciosa. Definitivamente tienes que refrescarte con Gloria en la cocina. Si te gustó y te encantó esta rica y deliciosa agua fresca, te invito a que te suscribas, me regales un like, compartas este video en las redes sociales con amigas, con amigos, con seres queridos, para que Gloria en la cocina siga creciendo. No se te olvide presionar esa campanita, y si ya la presionaste, déjala activada, así que cada vez que suba una rica y deliciosa receta vas a ser notificada y notificado. Antes de despedirme, yo les deseo mucho amor y paz. Los quiero un montón. Gracias por ser parte de Gloria en la cocina. Regálame tu like, comparte este video y suscríbete para que mi familia siga creciendo. Yo me quedo refrescando esta limonada de sandía con fresa que quedó refrescante y deliciosa. Nos vemos pronto. Adiós.